Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. I am Emotion Ridoy and you watching a Tech Pro YouTube channel. So today I am going to show you how to delete permanently or of your Binance account. So now let's start our today's video and please subscribe our channel. Don't forget press the bell icon. So now I start our today's video. Let's go. At first go to your Binance application, then click on three dot option, then click on three dot option. Then tap this menu, go to your security option, then now scroll. Now tap manage account, close account, select no longer want to use this account and tap on continue option, then continue, then select all three options, then click on confirm option, then select on I agree option, then click on close account, enter your verification code. After enter your verification code, then press OK. Then you can now see your Binance account was permanently deleted. Thank you so much. Please subscribe our channel.